Antipodean albatross. The Antipodean albatross, also known as Diomedea antipodensis, is a large seabird in the albatross family. Antipodean albatrosses are smaller than wandering albatrosses and breed in predominantly brown plumage, but are otherwise difficult to distinguish from young wanderers. Wandering albatrosses grow lighter in color with age, while the Antipodean stays darker. Diomedea antipodensis breaks into Diomedea, referring to Diomedes, whose companions turn to birds, and Antipodensis, the Latin form of the Antipodes Islands, where they are found. The Antipodean albatross belongs to the order Procellariiformes. Like all members of this order, they have naracorns, tubular nasal passages on their bill. They also have a unique palate with 7 to 9 bony plates. One of the great albatrosses of the genus Diomedea, it was only distinguished as a subspecies of the wandering albatross in 1992 and recognized by some authorities as a full species in 1998. While not all scientists believe it is a full species, retaining it with the wandering albatross, a 2004 study of the mitochondrial DNA and microsatellites of the wandering albatross species complex supported the split. Among the major experts, BirdLife International has split this species, Jim Clements has not yet, and the SACC has a proposal on the table to split it. The Antipodean is large, at 110 centimeters in length. Its breeding plumage is brown and white, and its juveniles are similar in appearance to the wandering albatross. Breeding females have brown upper parts and have white vermiculations on their back. Its face, throat, lower breast, and belly are white, and its undertail coverts are brown. Its underwings are also white, but with a dark tip. Breeding males are whiter than females, but not as white as the wandering albatross, and both sexes have a pink bill. The females of the nominate race have a dark brown breastband, and the males have a darker cap, tail, and humeral flexure than Gibsoni. They feed predominantly on cephalopods and to a lesser extent fish. Unlike other albatross species, they are not recorded eating any crustaceans and have been recorded visiting the spawning grounds of the giant cuttlefish off New South Wales. They nest on ridges, slopes, or plateaus, and will build their nest in the open or within patchy vegetation, such as tussock grassland. There are 2 subspecies, however there was a study in 1998 that suggested splitting the species, though this was not accepted in a 2004 study. Diomedea antipodensis, nominate race, breeds on the Antipodes Islands and Campbell Island. Diomedea antipodensis gibsoni, breeds on the Auckland Islands. Description. At sea, Antipodean albatrosses range across the South Pacific from Australia to as far as Chile, from the Tropic of Capricorn south. The Gibsonii seems to range to the east of Auckland Island, and the nominate race ranges to the east to Chile. They breed on the Auckland Islands, Antipodes Islands, and Campbell Island. The IUCN classifies this albatross as endangered, with an occurrence range of 37,400,000 square kilometers, although its breeding range is only 670 square kilometers. A 2007 population estimate numbered between 4,635 and 5,757 breeding pairs on Antipodes Island, 5,800 pairs on the Auckland Islands, and 10 pairs on Campbell Island. There has been 1 pair breeding on Pitt Island, Chatham Islands since 2004. This places the total population at 25,300. Both breeding success, which is 25%, and adult survival rates, which is 80% female and 88% male, have been declining. Pigs and feral cats are hurting the population on Auckland Island, and longline fishing is still impacting them. Recent studies have shown that a rise in Tasman sea temperature may be impacting Gibsoni. Banding has been an ongoing process, and will continue with satellite tracking of the species. Cattle and sheep have been eradicated from Campbell Island, and all the islands are nature preserves and recently became World Heritage Sites. Cats and pigs need to be removed from the Auckland Islands, the fisheries need to be worked with, and the ocean temperature fluctuations need to be studied to help this species survive. These are the information about the Antipodean albatross. There are 25 different species of albatross there. For a detailed encyclopedia about albatross and for additional information about individual species, please check the description below. That's it for now, and thank you for watching. If you liked our work, please support us with your contribution. You can find the PayPal link in the description section, and please give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.